Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make bread. You need flour, yeast, salt, olive oil and water. First, combine your 500 grams of plain flour with 7 grams of dry active yeast and 2 teaspoons of salt. Place the yeast and the salt at opposite ends of the bowl to stop the salt from damaging the yeast. Once fully combined, create a well in your flour mixture and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 300 milliliters of water. Combine it until it becomes a dough, and then on a slightly floured surface, knead your dough for roughly 10 minutes until it is satin smooth. Place your dough into a slightly oiled bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Let it rise for an hour until doubled in size. Line a baking tray with baking parchment. Knock back your dough, which means punching the air out of it and pulling it in on itself. Then gently mold the dough into a ball. Place it on baking parchment to let it rise for another hour until doubled in size again. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or gas 7. Dust the loaf with some extra flour and cut across about 6 cm long into the top of the loaf with a sharp knife. Bake it for roughly 30 minutes until golden brown and the loaf sounds hollow when tapped underneath. Let it cool on a wire rack. Enjoy!